Hello and welcome to the FlutterFlow tutorial by HashCodies. Today we are going to see how to add one new page and how to pass information from one page to another page. Okay. So far in the previous videos I have discussed about all these panels and all these panel elements, about the properties and features of FlutterFlow. So if you want to study that, you can refer to my previous videos. Now let me add one new page as discussed. So click on new page, give it name, details, and click on create blank, create page. Okay, so now you see this details page here, but I want both the pages to be in the same folder. So let me add this in the pages folder. Okay, so in the page, the first one, this home page, it's the first page. So how do you come to know that? So let us go to settings, and here in initial page you can see home page. Now we have two pages. I have selected home page as the initial page, and the details page will be my second page. So if you want, as you can see, look, the app bar for both of them is different. So if you want, you can change the app bar from here. All right. Okay. Then let us go to the home page. Here I want to take user's name, and when I click on the button, it should take that name and go to the next page, details page, and show that name there. Okay, very simple. So let me go to widgets here. Let me search for text. Here I had text field. Now text is used to display the text. Okay, it's like a label, and text field is used to take user input. Okay, so I'll select this text field here, and then I will add some 10 pixels from up and down. All right, so it will add a padding of 10 pixels around this text field. Let me add the name as TF name, text field TF name, and the label, let me change it to enter name. Okay, good. Now let me come to my test mode and test it if it is running, if it is adding that text field. Okay, if it is not showing, just reload it again. Okay, now I can see this text field. Same way, let me add a button, or you can have this button in the commonly used, so you can drag it simply. So as you know, as you can see here, that because of this padding, the button will come below that. Okay, so I select the button, name it as BTN, next. The text will be next page. Okay, let me see if my button is showing here or not. Okay, meanwhile, let us go to the details page. Here we have changed this app bar. Here I want to add one text. Okay, this is a label. Now as you can see, it is coming to the left of the screen. This is because of the column. So I select the column. As you can see, column is highlighted now. We will come down to the cross-axis alignment and select this stretch. Okay, I will add padding to this. I will lock and add a padding to the text. I may change the size and look and feel of it. Okay, good. I want the text alignment to be in the center, so that is how I have designed the page. Both the pages are designed and ready to work with. Let me see here what is the update. Okay, so here you can see that the label and the text field, edit text, and the button both are visible to us now. Okay, the text here is saying enter name BU. Okay, let me remove that. Anyway, so now when I enter the name here and click on the next page, it should go to the details page and show that name here. So in FlutterFlow, we need to add page parameters whenever we are receiving the information from another pages. So here this page, details page, is receiving the page parameter, okay, receiving the value. So let me come here and add one page parameter. Add parameter, name it as name. Let me set it the style to string, that is data type, and default value name appears here, okay, and confirm. So if there is no information, then we will see this name appears here. All right, if I want, I can have multiple parameters, so multiple information can be shown or can be passed to this page, okay. So coming back to this text property, now I don't want to show this hello world. Instead, I want to show the value which my page parameter is holding. All right, so I'll click on this text and select this name. So here you can see that it is telling you that this name, which is our page parameter, that value will appear here. All right, I can change the page title to details page, and the home page is already home page. All right, now here we have defined this edit text and this button. So when I click on this button, I need to show that action. So let me add that action here, add action, and navigate to details page, okay. So when I run this program again, let me see. Okay, let me reload it again. Sometimes it doesn't work at the first reload, so if you reload it a couple of times, it will work fine. So I have entered the name Himadri and click on next page. It is going to the next page, but it is not taking my information. Why? Because here the action is defined as go to the next page, but we need to pass the information which is in this text field. So we will come down to these parameters. There we have this pass button. We will click on this, and here it is suggesting the name, okay, because it knows that we are going to the details page, so it's suggesting. So when I click on this, it says this name parameter. If I have multiple parameters, I can choose from this, okay, and the value will be widget state and TF, text field name, okay. So whatever we have in this text field, that information you have to pass, okay, on the button click. So let us come here, let us reload it again. So here you can see it is running. So when I just pass the name Himadri and click on next page, it takes that information to the next page. So this is how this application runs. It's a very simple application. Just have shown you how to pass the information from one page to another. You can just experiment out with adding few more parameters, few more information. Just try it out and tell me in the comments how you have liked this. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe the channel. Have a good day.